So,
Or the helmet.
Grant was his name?
Yeah.
Grant, our host, welded these fender, backing plate on the fender. Both the tabs were busted off. So he welded a backing plate, painted the fender, and installed them on this trailer this morning when I wasn't out there. He kind of snuck over and put them on. I did it all for me didn't want any money either. Crazy. Super nice guy. But we got him a little something, him and his wife, something, gift certificate to a restaurant. So anyways, I thought that was awesome of him. Now we don't have to pack these fenders.
I need help.
We got Nebraska, going into Nebraska. We got South Dakota we just left. So, yeah. What do you think of the trip so far, Lisa?
It's good. South Dakota's great.
South Dakota was great?
Yes.
And what'd you like about it?
Well, I don't know. We have to be here longer. We have to stay here longer.
Okay.